Welcome to Soulful Kitchen, your cozy corner for heartfelt cooking and soulful flavors. Here, simple ingredients meet warm inspiration to brighten your day and nourish your spirit. Whether you're here for comfort food or culinary creativity, stay tuned for delicious moments made just for you. A tiny island kitchen like this feels just right for cozy winter mornings. The soft colors and natural wood invite warmth and calm. Everywhere you look, there's a subtle blend of elegance and comfort, perfect for quiet moments or brewing your favorite tea. It's simple beauty with thoughtful details. In this petite kitchen, elegance meets practicality with a soft palette and natural textures. The subtle winter touches like greenery and warm lighting invite tranquility. It's a small space that feels open and airy yet inviting, perfect for day-to-day comforts, and a place where even the smallest moments feel special and cared for. Imagine a winter kitchen full of cozy vibes and subtle sophistication. The natural wood tones contrast gently with soft white cabinetry, creating a serene atmosphere. This tiny space is surprisingly charming, where modern elegance and rustic warmth blend beautifully for a timeless, comforting retreat you'll enjoy every day. This compact kitchen embodies quiet elegance with light gray tones and warm wood accents. The soft, calming colors feel like a winter hug, making even simple tasks feel special. It's a small, functional space designed to bring joy and comfort through carefully curated details and warm ambient light. A petite kitchen like this one turns a small space into a stylish sanctuary. Natural stones and warm metals meet soft whites, offering a soothing winter feel. Small touches like classic tile patterns and fresh greenery add just the right amount of charm and personality for a welcoming daily experience. Cozy and refined, this tiny kitchen captures the essence of winter serenity. Light marble surfaces and soft cabinetry blend seamlessly, making the space feel open and inviting, perfect for intimate gatherings or quiet mornings. It's simplicity and style meeting in thoughtful harmony for any home. This modest island kitchen shines with charm and warmth. The pale green and white tones mix with brass accents, crafting a look that's timeless yet fresh. It's a small space designed to feel open and airy while comfortably embracing winter's cozy spirit with subtle sophistication and grace. The compact design here invites you to unwind with natural textures and muted tones. Warm woods and sleek surfaces balance each other, creating a cozy yet polished vibe. It's a tiny kitchen where every element is thoughtfully chosen to make winter days feel peaceful and effortlessly elegant. In this tiny kitchen, classic design meets peaceful winter styling. The pale hues and natural oak flooring give a soft, welcoming atmosphere. This space is all about warmth and understated beauty. Simple textures, subtle contrasts, and cozy touches that make each moment in the kitchen feel inviting and special. charming tiny kitchen where winter's calmness blends with chic practicality. Soft colors, textured surfaces, and warm lighting invite both comfort and style. It's the kind of space that feels lived in yet elegant, a personalized haven where the beauty of natural materials shines through every day. A cozy winter-inspired kitchen with soft tones and warm wood makes every day feel like a retreat. This space, though modest, shines with elegant details and a soothing palette. It's perfect for slow mornings and peaceful afternoons, where simplicity and charm come together naturally in a tiny footprint. Small yet stunning, this kitchen shows how winter elegance fits neatly into limited spaces. The soft gray and warm oak create a calming rhythm, balanced by subtle brass touches. Every corner feels intentional, inviting a peaceful atmosphere filled with gentle light and cozy textures perfect for daily comfort. This petite kitchen embraces quiet winter elegance with a mix of pale blue-gray and white hues. Every material and finish is chosen for warmth and simplicity, creating an inviting atmosphere. It's a space that feels both fresh and timeless, perfect for crafting comforting meals and cherished memories. In this little kitchen, cozy winter charm is evident in every detail. Soft sage, white marble, and antique brass create a harmonious blend of warmth and sophistication. It's a small space that promises quiet mornings and peaceful moments filled with subtle elegance and natural beauty. Thanks for joining Soulful Kitchen today. Remember, great cooking comes from the heart, and we're here to inspire that spark in you. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support means the world and keeps the kitchen soulful and alive.